So we have
And going.
sine of x over 1 minus cosine of x, and that plus 1 minus cosine of x over sine of x. And let's see our identities. Oh, that's what I wanted to pull out here.
Lottie, when are you going to be back?
27th.
So, like Sunday?
Yeah, it's like I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm coming back at 27th. I need to get you that book before I leave.
Yeah, I'll come meet up with you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so come in.
Come in.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. What's up?
Not much. I have to get this pencil.
Great.
I know.
Okay.
You look nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is that it? All right. Good to see you. Take care.
Thanks.
Yeah. 1 minus cosine of x equal
You look nice.
what?
You look nice, Gabriel.
Thanks.
Like I missed something.
Okay, what about number 1a? We need to replace 1 minus cosine of x, which it would be equal 1 plus sine. We can use the identity yeah, but we can use the Pythagorean identity for that. What do you guys think? Yeah, that is that one. Hey, that is the same. The number a, 1 minus cosine of x equals sine of x, isn't it?
Mhm.
So sine of x over sine of x is 1, right? Plus 1, it will equal 2.
Seems too good to be true.
Would that be the answer, just like that?
What's the answer?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Hold on. What? Show me.
Well, I am using the Pythagorean theorem, which established that sine x squared x plus cosine x squared x equal 1x squared. If we we can say that sine x squared of x equal 1 minus cosine of x squared, which is what we have here, but not to the square. That's the only difference.
Is that it's not to the square?
Yes, in the exercise that we have. But wouldn't that be the same? Because it will be the same like sine x squared of x plus cosine x squared of x equal 1. And if yeah, I will go for that. I will try to do something.
Would we have to like make it put denominators like terms and then
Oh, you mean
like multiply 1 minus cos x times sine x on both sides?
multiply sine in the numerator and denominator
Yeah.
in
Then
both
together.
sides?
Mhm.
That might work.
Hold up. Wouldn't it be more simplified, or wouldn't it be simpler to break it down into like pieces?
What do you mean?
So you have sine of x over
1 minus
1 minus cosine of x, right?
right.
You have 1 minus cosine of x over sine of x, right?
Yes.
Okay. Break those in half and simplify each half. So like for instance, we can start with either side. Let's say we start with 1, only because I see an obvious piece. Like if you start with the 1 minus cosine of x, to me that equals like 1 over sine of x is the cosecant, right?
Cosecant. Yes.
And then if you have cosine of x over sine of x, that's a cotangent. So you have cosecant of x. You have cosecant of x,
Over cotangent.
not over cotangent. It's a negative cotangent of x plus cosecant of x. Or cosecant of x minus cotangent of x. Because you're using the like terms and you're basically simplifying and cutting the bar out.
I would say that method it might work. I kind of got what you said, but then I lost track. And
So
but if we do it the way that Vladdy said also, it might be easier to prove it because we're just multiplying by 1, which would be sine of x in numerator and denominator. And we can square everything to just get the common like over 1.
okay, that's fine with me.
I don't know if that's what Vladdy is doing.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to like do right now.
But if you want, Zach, you can.
Well, are they asking us to come up with a resolution of like what the number is? Because I don't feel like we can come up with a number. We don't know what x is. Nor do we have any indication of what that might be.
Take simplify, right?
Have you guys worked in the homework?
A little bit.
Yeah, I did a little bit too, and some of them, because like this is pretty much the same as the Pythagorean theorem, they come with the number 1.
Right.
like cosecant times sine of x equal 1 or stuff like that. Okay.
Well, you keep working on it, and then if we need to, we can go back and do it my way. Either way,
But if you want to try the method that you were doing, I think that will be good because it might be faster. Who knows?
I got a really weird. I got 2 over sine of x.
2 over what?
Sine of x. Did you finish it yet?
no.
What I noticed in the homework that there are different methods to make it, and then like
Yeah.
if you do one that is different, it's just wrong,
Yeah, I know.
and that really sucks because it's like I'm using a different method, but it should be the same answer. And
What did you get?
me,
Mm-hmm.
no, I erased it and because you did that one, and then I don't know. I thought about WhatsApp. So. I could say it down. Oh man. Whoa. Blake. Oh, really?
Sister Hess just sent me an email back.
What did she say?
Hold on. She said, "Hey Zach, sorry, I thought the course technical support design team had changed that due date. I'll fix it and post an announcement. I didn't want anything due on Thanksgiving." And she said, "Also, did the announcement about Google Hangouts for next week make sense?" Because she posted, you guys get the announcement that she posted?
I guess. But, so she said that she will change it or not?
Yeah, she doesn't want it due on Thanksgiving.
Oh, okay, cool.
So that's good.
Oh, that's cool.
So she sent me another email, and she said, I want to check that because I don't think that's right. Is exam 4 just a multiple choice exam?
Oh, I hate those ones.
Why?
I always do so wrong just because if like there is one thing that I don't understand, I just it's wrong.
Oh, no, it's not. It has a written portion as well.
Well, it does suck too. Make it longer.
And there's a group quiz. She asked me, she asked me and said, hey, I just looked at it. The exam opens on Thanksgiving, but is not due until Saturday. Do you think it would be helpful for the second Google Hangout and the group quiz to be extended until Saturday of next week as well?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Could that I read that she said that we can do the two hangout in just one.
Yeah,
That would be good.
I agree. As long as we're ready to do it. But
Yeah.
I would prefer it to all do on Saturday anyway. That way we can get done with Black Friday. If we wanted, we could do our stuff on Saturday and be done.
Kill ourselves Saturday.
I don't know about you guys.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really.
Vladdy, did you check your answer?
I'm just looking at it right now, like trying to look at my other my formulas stuff. See how they're doing.
The insane part of this is that you have to memorize all of the identities. And
It's ridiculous. There's a lot of them.
Hey. Hey. Oh, man. No idea. Okay.
Vladdy, or not Vladdy, Gabriel, have you started working on number or B?
Yeah, I will do. I'm just writing down the questions so I can change to something else. I'm gonna look at examples.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. We can use calculator, right?
Yep.
Okay, so if I plug like sine of x over 1 minus cosine of x, it gives me negative tangent of x.
In your calculator?
Yeah. And if I plug 1 minus cosine of x over sine of x, um, let me try something.
I'll be right back.
Okay, wait, no. Okay, new answer. Vladdy.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I tried it again. I got like two different answers.
I put that in the calculator and I got like 1 over tangent of x over 2 plus tangent of x over 2.
Okay.
So if we add that, and this is 1,
So what do we figure out?
You just give me 1 over tangent of x over 2 plus tangent of x over 2. I don't know. It's
Wait, hold on. 1 over tangent of x
over 2.
over 2?
Yes.
Like, of x over 2. Okay.
I mean, I don't know. I thought I'll put in the tangent over 1, so try to do the addition of that.
What did it give you?
That's what I'm working on.
Has anybody started on number 2? Or B or whatever it is?
B. Oh yeah, that's what.
Was that a yes?
Huh? You're gonna start in number 2 or what?
Vladi, what are you working on?
I should start on number 2 then.
Or what are you working on?
I was working on this one, but I just keep getting different solutions. For the first one, 1A.
Okay, why don't you work on B? Gabriel, you work on 1A, and I'll start working on 2A.
2A. And Vladdy is working on
1B.
1B. Okay. I can do 2B.
Are we done with 1A?
No, but I have no idea what else to do.
Okay, let's come back to 1A. You do 2B. Unless you want to keep working on 1A, Vladi.
No, I'll give another one a shot. I'll do 1B.
Okay.
Okay, I got 2B.
You already have it?
No, I'm gonna work on that one.
I was like, that was amazing.
It looks simpler than.
I got 1B.
Cool.
I tried 1A again and I got 2.
Yeah, that's what I got like first, but
Go with that one.
huh?
So let's go with that since you both got it.
Maybe we both got it were wrong.
But at
'Cause-
least it's done.
Yeah. What did he square both sides, Gabriel? Because to make it work out with the Pythagorean blah 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 theorem. The Pytha.
Yeah, Python theorem. That's what I used first, and that's what I got too. Yeah, because
we-
you. Yeah, I don't.
Do we square the final answer?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think that you should. Wait. So. mm, mm.
Okay, I got 2A. It's true. Verified.
You just said one. Try to work in one side, right? And set it equal to the other one. Right?
2?
Huh?
For 2?
Yes.
Yeah, you're just verifying.
I think that this is not true. I don't know if this is too complicated or too simple. Because there is no. Okay, so. Yeah. There is. Yeah, there is no way that this can match. Can you guys can I share the 2B to see if and what you guys think?
Sure.
Of course.
I didn't do a lot though. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
Well, okay, so 1 minus sine squared of x is equal cosine x squared of x. Okay? Do we agree with that? In the Pythagorean theorem, that's what we have.
Mm-hmm.
And then 1 plus sine of minus x is the same as saying 1 minus sine of x. So I did modify a little bit both of them. So it will be simpler to compare. But then in the denominator, I had 1 plus cosecant of x, and in the other one, cosecant of x. I see no way too much that. So it's false.
That's false.
Yeah, I see no way to for them to be the same as we have.
True. True.
Wait. Yeah. Oh no, this is fine. Yeah, because the other one is not a square, so it's not gonna be equal cosine of the square of x. 1 minus sine of x.
As long as you show your work, I don't care. Pass or fail this quiz is not going to make or break us.
It'll break me.
Really?
It'll break my heart.
Hey, these quizzes are worth like just a little bit, or like the most.
Worth like less than 1 point.
Yeah. The tests are the ones that like the hardcore stuff.
Did you send me a message, Lottie?
Yeah, I sent my work.
Did you for 1A and B?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, Gabriel sent me 2B,
Okay.
and we good.
But man, okay.
It's either untrue or it's so complicated to figure out that it is true that it's just too hard.
True.
That's true. That's true.
The hard part about the identities is that it's like, which way do you go?
Exactly. That's the point. Okay, I would just say false. Because yeah, I don't see a way. I thought about squaring one of the sides, but no, yeah. Okay, so let's send you this. There you go.
All right, boys and girls, we done. I will
Well,
submit in the next hour.
yeah.
I love you both.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
Lottie, I'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
Okay, guys, have a good night.
What time do you get on campus tomorrow?
6.
6.
a.m.
I get off my class at 8:45 at the Austin. So where would you be at? Like at 9?
Either getting out of the gym or in the computer science building.
Okay, I'll text you then.
Okay, sounds good.
See ya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.